Do you think financial success is all about raw intelligence? Think again. It's really about understanding your own behavior with money. Many believe that becoming rich is all about complex calculations or having a high-paying job. In reality, financial success is deeply rooted in psychology and behavior. Today, we're exploring 19 powerful lessons from The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, insights that can transform how you view money, wealth, and happiness. This book dives into the emotional and behavioral aspects of finance. Rather than focusing on complex investment strategies, Housel explains that true wealth is built by understanding our attitudes toward money. Now, let's break down all 19 key lessons that will help reshape your financial mindset. 1. How you behave with money is more important than what you know. Financial success is less about raw knowledge and more about discipline, patience, and emotional control. Example, Sarah saves and invests consistently, even with limited technical knowledge, and grows her wealth over time. On the other hand, Mike knows all the theories but makes impulsive financial decisions, leading to losses despite his knowledge. 2. Luck and risk play a bigger role than we think. Success is often a mix of skill, timing, and luck. Recognizing that outcomes are sometimes driven by circumstances beyond our control helps us stay humble. Example, Bill Gates had access to a computer in high school at a time when very few people did. This stroke of luck helped shape his success. Meanwhile, countless equally intelligent people never got the same opportunity and couldn't achieve similar success. 3. The power of compounding is greater than you think. Compounding is the secret weapon of wealth building. Over time, small, consistent investments can grow exponentially. Example, Warren Buffett started investing at a young age, allowing his money to compound over decades. This was a key factor in his enormous wealth later in life. 4. Save money, even if you don't have a clear reason. Saving isn't just about hitting specific goals. It provides flexibility and security for unexpected opportunities. Example, Alex saved diligently without a clear purpose. Later, when a great business opportunity came up, he was ready to invest without stress. Number 5, wealth is what you don't see. True wealth isn't about what you show off. It's about what you keep invested and growing behind the scenes. Example, Person A buys an expensive car on credit, appearing wealthy but struggling financially. Person B lives modestly and consistently invests, quietly building significant net worth. 6. Freedom is the ultimate goal of money. The real purpose of money is to give you control over your time and the ability to live life on your terms. Example, Tom earns a high salary, but works so much that he never enjoys his wealth. Jerry, on the other hand, invests wisely and eventually gains the freedom to spend his days however he chooses. Number 7, people see money differently based on their life experiences. Our financial habits are shaped by personal experiences and upbringing. Example, someone who grew up during an economic crisis may be overly cautious with money, while someone raised in a booming economy might take more financial risks. 8. The most important rule, avoid stupid financial mistakes. Sometimes, avoiding bad financial decisions is more important than making the perfect investment. Example, John puts his life savings into a get-rich-quick scheme and loses everything. Meanwhile, Emily follows a steady, diversified investment plan and builds lasting wealth. 9. Save for flexibility, not for a specific goal. Having savings means having options when life presents new opportunities or unexpected challenges. Example, Anna saves consistently. Later, when she wants to switch careers, she has enough money to take a break and find the right job without stress. 10. Time in the market beats timing the market. Trying to predict market movements is a losing game. Long-term investing is the real key to success. Example, index fund investors who stay invested for decades typically outperform day traders who constantly try to buy low and sell high. 11. Emotions and money are deeply connected. Most financial mistakes come from emotional reactions like fear, greed, and panic. Example, Kathy sells all her stocks in a market crash, fearing bigger losses. Oliver, however, stays calm, keeps investing, and benefits when the market rebounds. 12. Money is not the key to happiness. It's about options. Money doesn't automatically bring happiness. It provides the ability to make choices that align with your values. Example, Emily uses her wealth to create meaningful experiences and support causes she believes in. Ryan, on the other hand, chases material wealth but never feels satisfied. 13. Financial independence can be achieved with small steps. Wealth isn't built overnight. Small, smart choices compound over time. Example, Tom consistently invests a small portion of his income every month. Over time, these small contributions grow into a significant financial cushion. 14. Money management is more about habits than strategies. The key to long-term wealth is consistency in good financial habits. Example, Jake automatically saves a percentage of his income every month, steadily growing his wealth over time. Meanwhile, Sophie jumps between investment strategies without consistency and sees little progress. 15. You can't control everything, so focus on what you can control. Instead of stressing over unpredictable events, focus on your own financial behavior. Example, Maya builds a solid budget and invests regularly, ensuring financial security despite market fluctuations. George, on the other hand, constantly worries about the economy and makes poor financial decisions based on fear. 16. Wealth requires patience and a long-term view. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Long-term thinking is essential. Example, Victor invests steadily in a diversified portfolio for decades and sees his wealth grow. Lily, however, keeps chasing quick profits and ends up with minimal returns. 17. Risk is always present, but it's manageable. Risk is unavoidable in investing, but managing it properly is the key to financial success. Example, Eva spreads her investments across different assets to reduce risk. Max, however, puts all his money into a single high-risk stock and suffers huge losses. 18. Money is a tool, not a goal. Money should be used to improve your life, not be an obsession. Example, Sophia uses her money to travel, learn, and give back to the community. Brad, on the other hand, hoards money without a clear purpose and never truly enjoys it. 19. Financial freedom equals control over your time. The greatest benefit of wealth is the ability to live life on your own terms. Example, Daniel achieves financial independence and spends his time traveling, pursuing hobbies, and being with family. Caitlin, however, is stuck in a high-paying job she hates, with no time for what truly matters. If you want to achieve real financial freedom, you must understand the psychology behind money. Apply these 19 lessons to make smarter decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and ultimately gain control over your time and future. Comment below which lesson resonates with you the most. And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful book breakdowns that can transform your financial life.